In today's video, I'm going to show you how to research Artistly alternatives for specific styles using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the main dashboard. Now here's the key step. Before creating your image, think about the exact style you want. For example, realistic portraits, anime, product mockups, 3D renders, or digital art. Once you've identified your style, you can use the prompt section and start testing variations to see what Artistly can already generate for you. If you feel like you need a different look or more advanced style control, you can compare results by searching for similar AI tools that specialize in that style, like platforms focused on high realism, character consistency, or product advertising visuals. You can also refine your prompt inside Artistly by adding style keywords like cinematic lighting, studio photography, anime style, or 3D render to simulate what other tools might produce. This way, you're not just creating randomly. You're actually researching and comparing styles to get the best possible result for your project. And that's it. That's how you research Artistly alternatives for specific styles in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.